This issue will explain to you that the folding material will stop immediately. Application of folding material starts which in practical operation. Okay, we're going to go through this now. Some start emergency stop buttons on the folding side. This is the emergency stop button for folding materials. Its function is mainly to find that the material is not folded properly during the folding process. In other words, if the laser is not cut properly, we just press this folding material emergency stop button. The folding material stops suddenly and presses it down. The machine stops working. After pressing it like this, rotate clockwise. Emergency stop reset. After lifting, our large pressure plate will automatically reset. After automatic reset, wait for the big board to return to the starting point, then take out the fabric on it, so we can continue to operate. This is where we are, the forward button used in the pickup test. This key is us, the back button to be used during the reloading process. These two keys, one forward and one backward. The button is usually used in the pickup test. This button is the folding start button in the pickup test function. We can also use it as a forward button. These two keys are in the pickup function. It's the same function.